Celebr8 had a brand new release this month, and we are happy to share this collection with you. So let's do a quick walkthrough. As always, in the bulk pack you get 2 chipboard elements and then of course a sticker sheet. So let's have a look at these papers designed for us by Celebr8. Definitely very masculine. Color palette is very nice. Love that it's like a royal bright blue almost with the royal crown, and the red is very nice. It's actually a brighter red. Do really like that. This is very nice. You can simply put a photo if you're not into fussy cutting too much. I really like this film strip. Lots of potential on this page. Another one where you can simply just add your photos. You can even turn it sideways if you want to, like this background. Okay, so lots of potential with this collection. There's the king of the castle. You can have him with his rugby and his TV right there. You can have the kids on their bikes. Lots of potential. These numbers are always a winner, the number plate numbers. I do like this. It kind of looks like corrugated metal sheets. That is a very nice paper. Also, we have some film strips here with some measuring rulers, some maps in between, so you can use this as a travel collection. And a chevron, you guys. Chevron is always a winner. This paper, the colors are beautiful. I can actually even imagine what I might be bringing in, an alcohol marker with a couple of techniques there. And I also like this wood grain. I like that you can bring in like an orangey yellow. Very nice contrast there. This is an excellent piece of paper because you can use it as photo mats, okay? And there are 2 of them. So if need be, you can even use that as a background. You can see how nicely that joins up together. And then of course we have the cutout sheet, lots of little tags, lots of tickets, lots of journaling elements, and then of course the other cutouts. These are very dark, I'll be honest with you, so I might highlight them using a couple of techniques just to pop the page a little bit. And but these are awesome. We haven't seen journaling cards for a long time, so make sure you order yours today. We are super excited, and there will be a layout created with this by Priscilla. She's coming to visit for a week, and she will be creating pages with this as well as the Penelope D. If I have time, even I might do something for you guys. Okie dokie.